Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can resize elements and objects in your presentations on Microsoft Whiteboard. So let us get started. So head over to a whiteboard presentation on Microsoft, for example, via the web application or desktop app, and pick any element you like. So let me, for demonstration purposes, create a completely new shape. So click into the shape feature here at the bottom from that menu, for instance, and let me go, for instance, with a diamond like this. After that, draw it. You may also stabilize it by pressing left shift on your keyboard. You may customize the color, for instance here, the border color, and so on and so forth. So if you'd like to resize it, guys, simply make sure that it is selected. To do that, click into the select tool here, left click into the given element, and after that simply left click in one of its corners or borders, just like that, and move your mouse just like that to resize it. If you'd like to keep the aspect ratio, guys, simply stabilize it by pressing left shift on your keyboard and holding it, and that's it. That's how you do it. You may also rotate your element just like that by clicking into one of these corners here, that rotation icon next to the corner, and that's it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.